Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Dumplings are a must-have recipe for Chinese family reunions and festival celebrations. There is an old saying in China, nothing is as delicious as dumplings. Today's recipe is pan-fried pork dumplings with celery. How to make the wrapper of fried dumplings crispy and fragrant requires a little skill. Let's get started. Prepare 60 grams of celery, finely chopped. 1 part ginger, 5 grams, minced. 6 grams green onion, chopped. Look at all the seasonings for the dumpling filling, half teaspoon of 5-spice powder. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of cooking wine. Chopped green onions. Chopped ginger. Prepare 260 grams of minced pork. The ratio of fat to thin is about 2:8. Add all the seasonings and chopped celery to the minced pork. Combine well with chopsticks. The filling is finished. Then make the starch water. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to a bowl. Pour into 200 milliliters water, mix well. Next, make the dumplings. I have already made the dumpling wrappers. Of course, you can also buy ready-made ones. Put some fillings on a wrapper. Then pinch the edges, just like this. One dumpling is done. Do the same for the rest wrappers. Place the dumplings one by one into the pot. Heat the pot over medium heat. Add 5 tablespoons of oil. Pan fry the dumplings first. Fry until the bottom of the dumpling turns golden brown. Add the starch water. Bring to a boil. Cover and simmer until the starch water is almost dry. Turn off the heat. Crispy and delicious pan-fried pork dumplings with celery are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.